everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 3rd to the 7th of November 2025 on Monday. Musa blows his money again and get denied a raise by MCs. Meanwhile, Isaac confronted Ezekiel, who's pressurizing Mapula for cash to fund his church. Tension rise over her inheritance on Tuesday. MCs pushes Musa for demanding more, pushing him to the edge. Meanwhile, Mapula learns Ezekiel took out a life policy on her and is using her illness to fund his church on Wednesday. Musa plots to start his own operation after stealing a contract from Msizi. Mapula confronted Ezekiel over the policy and cut ties with him and his church, claiming her power on Thursday. Musa rejected by Msizi Bolko Antonio to cut him out. Meanwhile, Honors magazine cover goes viral, earning praise from her family, though Nia's absence is her tribute raises eyebrows on Friday. Musa plans a tricky hijacking and Antonio demands 4x4, threatening to expose him to Msizi. Meanwhile, Ona prepares for a Cape Town trip with Neo, and as her rising fame excites her family. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.